The "could not find a part called handle" error in Roblox Studio indicates an issue with how your avatar accessory is set up. Here are some advanced solutions you can try beyond the basic checks. 1. Double-check handle naming and hierarchy. Inspect hierarchy. Open the Explorer window in Roblox Studio and meticulously examine your accessories hierarchy. Ensure there's a part named exactly handle, case-sensitive, within your accessories structure. It might be hidden or nested within another group. Search Explorer. Utilize the search function in the Explorer window to specifically look for a part named handle. 2. Recreate the handle. Delete and re-add. If you find a part named differently, delete it and create a new one named precisely handle. Make sure it's positioned appropriately for attachment. Legacy accessory approach. If you use the Generate Mesh Part Accessory tool, try creating the accessory with the Generate Legacy Accessory option instead. Legacy accessories might handle attachment points differently. 3. Plugin conflicts, if applicable. Disable temporary disable plugins. If you're using any Roblox Studio plugins, try temporarily disabling them one by one to see if a specific plugin is interfering with the handle recognition. 4. Scripting issues, if applicable. Review attachment script. If you're using a script to handle accessory attachment, meticulously review the code for any typos or errors related to finding the handle part. Ensure the script correctly references the handle by name within the hierarchy. 5. Roblox Studio reinstall. As a last resort, if none of the above solutions work, consider reinstalling Roblox Studio. This might resolve any underlying bugs or corrupted installations causing the issue. Additional tips. Clear Studio cache. Try clearing the Roblox Studio cache. This can sometimes resolve issues caused by outdated temporary files. You can find instructions on how to do this within Roblox Studio settings. Report the bug. If you've exhausted all options and still encounter the error, consider reporting it as a bug on the official Roblox Dev Forum. Roblox Dev Forum. Remember, these advanced solutions require some technical knowledge. If you're not comfortable with them, consider seeking help from a more experienced Roblox developer or the Roblox community forums.